lose my mind at night, lose my mind at night, lose my mind at night.
Hey guys, it's Kaitlyn, and today I'm going to be showing you my lazy weekend night routine. So this weekend I did not have a ton to do, surprisingly, a much needed break. So recently I've been binge watching The Office, and I'll even turn the TV so I can watch it while I'm making dinner. Tonight I decided on beef tacos with coleslaw on top of them for dinner. Because I did not want the coleslaw to go bad, I knew it had been sitting in the fridge for a long time, and once I took it out of the fridge, I had noticed I was pretty late to the game and the coleslaw was already really bad. So this is honestly like my genuine reaction to it. Like, I was so disappointed that the coleslaw was bad, and I had to start over trying to plan what to make for dinner. So an extra 20 minutes or so off camera, I finally decided what to make. I decided on making fettuccine alfredo just because pasta dishes are my go-to easy but looks like you're doing a lot kind of dinner, you know what I mean? And I just love pasta. So I threw that together really quick. On the weekends I have a lot more time to make dinner, so I'll make a bigger batch than I normally would during the week, and I'll save it so I'll have food when I don't really have time because of studying during the school week. So because today's lazy, I did not go back to my room and eat my food while I was studying. I decided to eat it while I was watching The Office, which was really nice and relaxing. I'll put away my leftovers and then save those for the rest of the week. And then I'll clean up the kitchen if I have time, and I do because it's the weekend. So I'll usually just put away what's in the dishwasher and then reload it with the dishes in the sink, or just hand wash the dishes in the sink. Once I'm done with dinner, I'll typically take a body shower just because walking around on campus during the week, I get really sweaty. So I've just been taking body showers basically every day, and I always get really comfy clothes. I'm already wearing comfy clothes, but I made sure to get even comfier clothes for after my shower because I really wanted to relax this weekend after like a hell week. Because I'm taking a body shower, gotta put up my hair. And in the shower, I make sure to wash my face just so it's a little less time out of the shower. So here's my collection of Glossier products. I am a rep for them, so you guys can check the link below if you want 10% off your purchase and free shipping over $30. So after I wash my face, my first step is always Solution, which is a skin exfoliator by Glossier. I love this because of all the extra dirt I get off my face. It's just so satisfying. Then I'll either use Epiduo or my Zit Stick to spot treat my face. My favorite product to use with the Solution is the Bounce Serum from Glossier, so I'll put that on after. Because my face gets so dry in the winter, I'll use a mix of rose oil and then a Vino face lotion, and just mix those together on my face just to give it more of a moisturized feel because my face does get really dry from walking around in the cold weather on campus. Then I'll finish off with some rose water spray. Don't really have to do it, but just really enjoy doing it. So usually after I take my shower, I'll go to my room and work on whatever I have to do. I had a formal lab report and I have an online class to work on, but I forgot to get my tea. So I genuinely do drink tea most nights just because it's really cold and just makes me feel good, you know? So I will just work on the stuff that I have to do, try to be a productive gal, and if I don't do this, I'll probably be watching Netflix in the living room or in my bed. And I will get distracted and go on my phone too. If you guys want to follow my Instagram and keep updated with me, I do tag what I'm wearing in my pictures, and I'll keep you posted on my YouTube channel, what's going on. You guys can help me pick thumbnails, or I'll show off your fan art. And then I also have some information about Glossier on my story highlights. Next, I will update my planner for the week after I finish studying, just because I want to keep on top of things and I like planning ahead. This planner's from Rifle and Paper Company. I need to get a new one for this year though. And then if I have time, which is usually only on the weekends, I will just chill out in my bed and I'll write in my notebook and update everything. And this month I'm doing a gratitude log, so that's what I was filling out. And then every night before bed, pose for a thumbnail. I thought I'd add some of this footage of me posing for a thumbnail. just didn't have a lot of footage of me in my bed, to be honest. So once I get the perfect thumbnail, I will put all my stuff on the floor and then settle down for bed. And I usually watch YouTube videos until I fall asleep. That's it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope I'll be posting more soon. So I hope to see you guys back here real soon. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.